Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change language in MetaTrader 4 application. To change the language in your MetaTrader 4 application using your iOS device, first of all, open the MetaTrader 4 application. Inside the main home screen of MetaTrader 4, tap on the Settings button at the bottom right corner. Within the Settings menu, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Interface. Inside Interface, choose the language you'd like to change to from the list available. Right after you select one of the languages, tap on OK at the top right corner, and then you will be able to change the language immediately and the interface will adjust accordingly. That is how you will be able to change the language setting in your MetaTrader 4 application using your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more MetaTrader 4 tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.